Hello traders, this is David Rodriguez, quantitative strategist for dailyfx.com, here to walk you through what we're looking at in terms of Forex trading crowd sentiment, or the FXCM Speculative Sentiment Index in particular, SSI for short. So what are we watching right now? The fact is that the dollar is breaking down virtually across the board, and the trading crowd is buying aggressively into greenback weakness, which tells us one thing: the herd is heading in this direction. We might not want to join them. In fact, the opposite direction looks much safer. And, to not beat the analogy to death, realistically, if everyone's buying the US dollar, we might want to sell it. And indeed, we're seeing technical evidence that backs that up. The euro is clearing important resistance. The sterling is just a stone's throw from multi-year highs. The Japanese yen is near critical resistance. The dollar-yen exchange rate is near critical support. And the fact is that the crowd is buying into that dollar-yen decline, selling into that euro rally, selling into that sterling rally. And again, going against the crowd, purely contrarian view of herd sentiment leaves us fairly bearish, and that's exactly what several of our automated trading strategies are doing right now. The one caveat to this analysis is, and one currency pair that's basically been marching to the beat of its own drummer for a while now, is the Australian dollar US dollar exchange rate. So we've seen the Aussie dollar clear significant resistance and trade at fresh highs, but at the same time, short interest has actually fallen. Yesterday I noted that Australian dollar short interest was at a 3-year high, which is substantial. Actually, from its peak, the number of short positions has fallen about 30%. So the key divergence between price action and sentiment, because typically the crowd goes against price moves, suggests that the Aussie dollar may be near a potential inflection point, or in plainer terms, a potential reversal. So take a look at the full report below. This is obviously just a broad overview. There's a lot to glean just from looking at the charts. Best of luck trading, and I'll talk to you soon.